Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video to go over all the different Railblaza mounting products that I got and am using on my Kayaks2fish Nextgen 11.5. So we've got the Railblaza mobile phone holder with an extension arm, a Railblaza rod holder, again with another extension arm. This is their Railblaza boom mic rod, just to obviously get your GoPro nice and high. And what's great about it is it actually rotates wherever you want it, and it can move from the top, bottom, and swivel in multiple directions. And this one here is for your Garmin fish finder, or fish finders in general. Another rod holder. And then obviously around this side, my modified sea tug trolley. They're all made by Railblaza. Anyways, guys, this is just a quick one, just to quickly show you Railblaza mounting products and solutions for your kayak. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.